Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are study about compare commands in Fatek PLC. Let's start. I open my WinProladder software and we will start here first to connect to our PLC and go to auto check. You can check it your COM port and make it connect and maybe have some data inside the PLC be receiving from the PLC and then start. There is nothing have any project, so let's start the new project. First of all, I will take a one bit here. That's I give the name M200. That's the internal memory. And secondly, I will make it on by one contact M500 and make it on. And let's first of all, I will make it one timer also need to be started here. Here you can take the timer and here for example I will take the T200 1 second timer and I will give the name at D200 and next we will take the function here. Today we will discuss about the compare commands. Here is the compare commands. Here is a equal, here is a greater than, is a less than and equal and greater also, and also greater or equal or less or equal. First of all we will use this equal command and then click it OK and make it here, give the name. For example I will give the data here D0 and make it here D10 and I make it the name it here and here we will make it one output on M600 we will take, no problem, because of when our data is equal with the which figure we give after our M600 goes to be on. And for that one compare command we have to must use it here one more command for I will take it here M500. When my M500 is on, M500 is on, or for example we will take it here arithmetic or directly can be write it here INC. When we write it here INC, that increment command will become it here. And this any data register when we give it here for increments, for example D50 I will give to the for increments. And here we will take it one row more, insert network before this one more row we will take after this network. That's M500 this we use TG contact for this M500 and so that's we will remove it here from here D50 delete, we'll remove it from here and this we will give it here query command D50 because we need the increment at this data register D50. And here also we will use this one D50. Make it okay. And first of all we download this program to the PLC and let's see what's happened. Now see, our D50 is don't have any value or something. For example, this D50 I put one some value and or D10 yani means D10 when I put the value something from here, for example I will put the D10 value for 3. D10 value I put the 3 and I make it this one on, for example. Now first rising edge came here because of this M500 is first time on. As I close, that's close, but this will be still 1. As this another signal will be came, it will be counted 2. And what I give command it here, when my D10 is equal with D50, when my D10 is equal with my D50, after my M600 needs to be on. As I give it one more signal, for example, see, as it's D50 equal with the D10, our M600 is on. And M600 you can anywhere use, can be used in the program for anything, your motor on off or once any conveyor running upside the some bottles or something, which things you like to be counting and you like to stop or hit the for push something, any type of when you need, after this command will be run. I will show you also this M600 how it works. You can make it simply it here. No, sorry, this M600 I will make it editing in running software also. This is the benefit of this M600 when on. After I need my one output on, which is of my real output of the PLC. For example, I take Y0. See, when my M600 is on, my Y0 is on. Now, as for example, I make it this one off, and as again I make it off. Now see, D50 is now greater than this D10. If I put it here 4, after this will be on. And also for this counter, also we need some one more row in program. Here we can fix it one any internal memory or external memory. For example, M300 I will take, and here I can make the reset button for D50. Sorry, D50. Control W, that one. As I gives the signal to M300, our D50 will be goes to 0. And as I will make, and this also this timer, if you like to be make it with this control, also you can configure as per your program logic. And here also when D3, if you like to this also data change D3, sorry, this when we have to be go to the for counting, you can go here when you like to give for example 5 counting, we will give it here 5, and that will be system has changed. As I make it close on, now our one signal is ready. As we give the number 2 signal off, now 2 counting is completed. Make it again off, now is completed your 3 signals. As make it on, now 4, make it off, and as you're giving one more signal, as your 5 signals are completed are counting, this will look like a counter here. Means this D50 is your counter. When complete is 5, after your Y0 will be on, and as this M next signal will be came when counting extra, so your Y0 will be off. So that's the benefit of this command in the PLC program. When you use this command in the PLC with any conveyor program or any type of inside, you can using in analog system or something in counting areas, when our sensor also, how much times anything sensing with your this system, and you can use this compare commands for this system. And this is a now equal command. Chala will be next lecture. I will show you how to can use the greater than command and other more commands. So I hope you understand about this equal command, how you can use in the program. If anything not understand, can send me the message in comment section. Allah Hafiz.